Hi guys, I'm Young and we are at the open sea, just like how the summer should be, because it is beginning to get super duper hot here. And if you are planning a summer holiday or summer break, I would say, because in 2021 I don't think anyone's planning a grand holiday anywhere. But if you want to up the game or making fun videos with your family and friends, then I have just a device for you today in this nice little velvety pouch. It feels super soft and it's not going to break your bank account.
Meet Hohem iSteady Q, the stabilizing stick. With the extra 30cm, you might think it is just a selfie stick. However, this is an upgrade version of a selfie stick, so let's get ready. With iSteady 2, there is not much limit on the phone that you can use. It is compatible with a phone thickness up to 1.1 centimeters, so pretty much any phone with a case. And also the clamp range can be extended all the way to 10 centimeters. Here I'm using Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is one of the largest phones out there, and I did not have a problem at all, although I did prefer using it without a case. First, long press to turn on, and then it will go into vertical mode. Then you can easily just press the button on the right bottom to turn into horizontal. And you can use the button on the left bottom to take the photos or videos very easily. And switch from vertical and horizontal seamlessly as well. And you can also use the gesture like Victory V to start taking photos or recording. By the way, this little control center is in fact a remote control. Since I have a little remote control here, I'm quickly gonna go over to the other side and take a photo from that side.
Alright, so before you get way too excited, I haven't even shown you the most exciting feature about iSteady Q. And after seeing this feature, I'm like, oh my god, this device only costs $30. So hold on there, because right now if you pre-order in the Kickstarter, and it is a sponsored video, but if you do go and order in Kickstarter, you are only paying about $30 for this device. So the next feature requires a little bit of transformation. And you can probably guess now it is at horizontal level, which means you can actually put your mobile phone like this. You got the horizontal setup, ta-da, which means it can swivel around.
With the rotation, you can make use of these pre-programmed special features, so I'm gonna try the panoramic shot. I think this feature would be perfect if you have a party of people. With iSteady Q, you can of course try the motion time-lapse.
So right now I'm using the motion time-lapse with iSteady Q. Yes, it is a bit noisy. I think I can turn off the music. However, I'm actually really surprised. This is multiple times that I'm trying out the motion time-lapse today. And I'm really surprised. Today is actually freaking windy, especially by the sea. However, I don't know, somehow when they edit it, it smoothes out the whole windiness, because I can see the mobile phone shaking a little bit. However, the footage looks absolutely gorgeous.
Finally, the cool feature that I want to share with you guys is Inception Mode. So the 360-degree brushless motor allows you to turn the mobile phone continuously. And I can use the remote control to turn the mobile phone to get an amazing edit like this. if you don't always want to turn your footage around, if you just want a stable cinematic shot, you can also achieve that with iSteady Q because it has single axis stabilizing motor. Inside Hohem Joy app, you can track yourself. However, don't go too far because then it will lose the tracking mode. And also inside the app, you can use the button to zoom in and out of the subject.
So I had a lot of fun spending a day exploring the different features of Hohem iSteady Q stabilizing stick, and I have to say, this is probably the best value for money product that I have seen in a long while. For $30 only for Kickstarter right now, you get a long enough selfie stick. It's like another arm there, as well as this 360 swivel, and it is certainly a very windy day that can take you to motion time lapse, as well as that crazy Inception shot, as well as a gentle tracking mode, and also you get a remote control here. So I think it is going to be a $30 well spent, especially, you know, if you don't want to spend so much money on getting like 3-axis gimbal camera, and if you love using your mobile phone because you've already spent so much money on your mobile phone and you need a selfie stick, then why not? Why not spend that $30 and then, you know, you can actually spend that money, you know, paragliding or something. And I'll come back with some of the interesting tech gadget reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!